Welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. I'm bringing you an unboxing today, and it's a combination of a reveal and an unboxing. So once again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I do lots of sneaky unboxings over there. Well, I don't do lots of sneaky unboxings, but I do unboxings over on Instagram. Things that I think aren't big enough for a whole video. Usually they're small things or shoes. So if you do like a good unboxing and you don't want to wait to the reveal here on YouTube, then follow me on Instagram at DaylesAddiction. I've been looking forward to 21k for a little while because I have a bit of a problem, an obsession, an addiction to purples and lavenders and all things in the hue of lilac. Every time I see it, I have to buy it, and that is dangerous when Chanel releases a collection that has a lot of lavender. I wasn't a big fan of the lilacs from the previous seasons. I think they were too light and a bit wishy-washy. So I was ready for the launch of 21k for the 22nd of September, which is today, the day that I'm filming. And I got a text message, and today's Wednesday, so I got a text message the Friday prior saying, here's some things that have just dropped, are you interested? And I'm thinking, are you for real? Like, I had organised to be home and not travelling so I could pop into the boutique on the day of the launch, and now it's come like 5 days early. This can't be happening. And my essay was lovely enough to send through a bunch of photos of things, and I said without a doubt I definitely wanted this piece, and this is the one that I unboxed on Instagram, but I'll reveal to you today. And it is the beautiful, beautiful lavender classic card holder. Now, this is just, I don't know if you're getting like the full effect of the colour, but it is a true lilac, and the stitching is like a darker purple. I guess that's the lavender part. I wouldn't call the colour of the leather lavender. I think it's lilac and the stitching is lavender, but semantics. It's got silver hardware, one of my favourite things. So this one is a bit taller than the regular classic. So this is the classic card holder, and you can see that it's, you know, quite a bit taller. They are the same width, and then you can see on the back that that's where you can see how much taller it is. So it didn't bother me. I wanted the colour, and wow, it is just so beautiful. Now, I've got some bits and bobs in there because I start using things straight away. I don't save them. It's got one slip pocket in the front, and then it's got this accordion style card section, as well as having a pocket on the back. There's not much to tell you about it other than wow, that colour, just divine. And when I went to pick this up, I did have a look through the boutique, and not all of the stock had arrived yet, but I did try on many things, and that left me wanting more and waiting for new stock to arrive. I put some pictures on my Instagram stories. I'll insert them here. I tried everything. I looked at the cocoa handle, even though I'm not a fan of the mini cocoa handle. I think it's the mini now, or is it the small? I don't know. That size is a little bit dinky for me. I want something that's if I was ever to go with a cocoa handle, I would be looking at something a bit bigger. But I wanted to see the lilac or lavender. I tried on the metallic wax. They were beautiful. I'll insert some pictures here. I had a look at lots and lots of things, but there was one thing that stuck with me, and I thought, what? This is weird. Walk away. And so I did. I walked away, and a week later, well, is it a week later? No, a few days later, yesterday, I was in the city for work and I was waiting to get my hair done and, wait for the transformation. I was waiting to get my hair done and I got a cancellation. My hairdresser wasn't feeling so good. So I thought, wow, this is a good opportunity just to check out and see if anything else has come into the boutique before I head home. So again, I went through and I looked at lots of things and I kept circling back to this one thing that, and I think I kept circling back just because I feel really uncomfortable with the fact that I really love this. And you're probably thinking, Dale, just get on with it. So I'm going to. So this is a genuine unboxing. I have not opened this one. So hold on, let me make some space here. So again, there's nothing quite like a Chanel unboxing, is there? We love a Chanel unboxing here. We love a Chanel unboxing everywhere, really. And when I get this out, you're going to know what it is. So if you saw my Instagram stories, see if you can guess. What do you think I got? The box is a dead giveaway for anybody who knows Chanel. So that's all I'll say about that. Isn't that satisfying? So satisfying. Lots and lots of ribbon. Heaps of ribbon. Oh, I did send a text message or a DM to quite a few of my fellow YouTube pals here saying, what's going on? I don't understand. We've got some care instructions. Now, I was also told that these come with a 2-year warranty now. So I think all the bigger leather goods come with a 5-year warranty. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look, he's put a cleaning cloth in for me. I don't think they normally come with these items. So yeah, a 2-year warranty, which is fantastic. So little black bag means it's an SLG. I still can't believe I've got this, but I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy with it. I purchased the beige wok wallet on chain in the classic style with silver hardware. Who am I? What has happened to me? I have bought a beige classic style wok. Me. Look at my collection. This is not what I do. I don't have anything in beige. Oh, look at this. The sticker's still on. I'm going to peel that off and make her mine. I'm just so uncomfortable with what's happening to me at the moment. I don't know if it's the fact I'm turning 41 soon. There we go. Oh, wow. That felt good. I don't know. I don't know. And we've got our little protection on there. I think that this is one of the most beautiful beiges I've ever seen because it's not yellow. It's more of a tan colour. There's lots of things to show you. Okay. Well, for me anyway, because those of you who've probably watched a few of my videos, you know that I've already got a wok, but it's a black one, and I'll show you that later. But just check out the grain of the caviar on this, and the colour of this beige is divine. And we're coming into spring, summer. Well, we are in spring. And the silver, it just pops. There's been a few classic flaps around in the beige with silver hardware, and I haven't really liked them. I didn't think that the silver looked very nice with the beige, but with the wok, I don't know what it is. So this one's a classic style wok, and it has the little Mona Lisa pocket on the back, which my golden class does not. Let me just show you. So this one does not have the pocket on the back. You can see they're very different looking woks, but they're still woks. Now this one has the magnetic opening, and that's something that I never liked about the classic style woks. But the magnet is a lot stronger than what it used to be, and so it just clips shut like that. It's not a press stud closure. Now my golden class, the reason that I purchased this with gold hardware is because this has this cool functioning mechanism like that, and I thought that that was a surefire way of making sure that the front flap didn't pop open unexpectedly. Now inside, if you've seen a wok before, there's a few differences compared to the older style. So firstly, the zipper pulls. The zipper pulls have this little metal piece on them now, whereas in the older style, let me keep going back, it has like a little leather tab on it. So that's a little bit tidier, I have to say, and easier to stop getting indentations on your leather. Now, so nice. It still has the invisible or the hidden pocket, so I can put my hand right down behind the full length of the wok. So if you're not familiar with that benefit of the wok, then yep, it does. Then you've got a slip pocket in the front. I've got a bit of card in there. So slip pocket in the front. You've got another zipper pocket in the middle here, and here is the little plaque. So instead of the the plastic's coming off, is it? Oh, there's plastic on there too. Oh, satisfying. So instead of having an authenticity card now, you get this little plaque here. And then there's another slip pocket just inside the zip, so there's lots of organisation. Then you've got your big space here with 6 card slots inside, and it is a fabric lining. I love my golden class, and I never thought, well, I love this. I can use it for evenings out as a clutch. I can use it to run errands because it has such a beautiful chain. I'll show you the chain. So here is the chain on the golden class. It's just a gorgeous little bag for evening, for days, really versatile in terms of how you wear it. And I am so excited that now I have a beige option. Like, look at that. And this, I feel, can do the same job for me, but a different colour. So I feel like I can use this as a clutch for dinners. I can also wear it casually, especially in the spring, summer months. It's the only bag I've got that's remotely of this colour. Which means, you know, it has a unique position in my wardrobe. Technically, it's not a bag. Technically, it's a small leather good. And the chain on this one obviously has the silver hardware, but it doesn't look gross. You know how sometimes silver hardware and beige don't look good together? So this one's made in Italy. When I did go originally, there were 2. One was made in France, one was made in Italy. This is the only one left. And given that it's a classic style, the store tried to find another one for me because, you know, made in France. But no other boutiques were prepared to give up a classic item because they could easily sell it. So should I show you what fits? Do I need to? This one has quite a bit of structure because of the thickness of the caviar. If you look at both caviars up close, this one is super fine and this one is quite substantial, and that's why I liked it. I think it's got a bit of edge to it. I don't know. So yeah, they're my reveals. So here we go. They kind of don't go together. But these are my purchases from 21K. I've told my SA, please don't ring me if any more lilac comes in or lavender. I don't need any more. I'm actually going to make a video of my obsession with purples and lavenders because it's gone out of control. And you can probably see behind me and with what I'm wearing, I'm also getting a bit obsessed with greens. I've got some serious problems, don't I? Anyway, I'll leave you with some mod shots, but tell me, are you surprised that I have purchased a beige classic wallet on chain when all of those beautiful colours were in the 21K collection? This is what I come home with. Honestly, yep. Cannot believe it. So yeah, what do you think? If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.